how to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes in Windows 10 or 11. So in order to fix this problem, first of all, make sure that you restart your PC if this problem has occurred out of the blue. And if the restarting your PC doesn't work, then what I recommend for you to do is go to the search bar and search for services. Go inside services, scroll down and find the Windows Update. After you have found the Windows Update, right click on it and make sure that you click on Start right here. And then go to Properties and make sure that the startup type is selected as Automatic right here. Now even if you have done that but it still doesn't work out, then what I recommend for you to do is search for Connected User Experience inside Services. So right here, right click on it and make sure that you go to Properties and make sure that the startup type is selected as Automatic in this one as well. And then apply the settings and get out of the services. Make sure that you restart your PC after you do this. If it works out, then that's cool. Or else what you can do is go to System Settings, scroll down and click on the Troubleshoot option right here. After you do that, go to Other Troubleshooters and then go to Windows Update and make sure that you run the Windows Update once so that it would check if the Windows updates are available. And if there are any problems, then Windows should likely fix it. If that doesn't work out, then what you need to do is enable the data collection. For that, go to your System Settings again, go to Privacy and Security right here, go to Diagnostics and Feedback and make sure that you turn on this option right here. If you have it turned off, then make sure that you turn this on. And go to Tailored Experience and make sure that you turn this on as well. And after I've had both of the options turned on, make sure that you restart your PC. If this doesn't work, then what you can also try is uninstalling the latest Windows update. Hold on the Windows key and press on R. After you do that, type appwiz.cpl. Click on Enter. Now go to View Install Updates right here at the left side of the screen. Click on it. Make sure that you uninstall the update that you've just installed latest. You can figure out which was installed latest according to the dates right here. After you've done that, make sure that you restart your PC again. The next option to try out is to recreate software distribution. For that, go to the search bar and type cmd. Make sure to run the command prompt as administrator, and I will tell you by writing in the notepad what you should type inside command prompt right here. So the first command to run is net space stop space WUAUSERV. And after you do that, click on enter in the command prompt, right? So what this does is that it stops all the Windows services. The next command to type is net space stop space CRYPTSVC and click on enter. So what this command does is that it stops all the cryptographic services. The next command to type is net space stop space BITS. So this command stops the background intelligent transfer service. And the next command is net space stop space MSISERVER. This command stops the Microsoft installer services. And the last two commands to enter inside command prompt is these two commands right here. These commands are mentioned in the description below. First of all, copy this command right here and paste it inside your command prompt. What this command does is that it renames the folder and it will automatically create a new folder. And the second command right here, what this does is that it renames another folder in system32 folder, which is catroot2. And after you have entered all of these commands inside the command prompt, then make sure that you restart your PC. If these measures solve your problems, then it's pretty cool. Or else what you can do next is fixed corrupt system file. In order to do that, go to your command prompt again, type cmd and make sure to run the command prompt as administrator. And this problem might also occur because your Windows image might be corrupt. So in order to fix that, type this command right here, space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health together and click on enter. And after you have had your operation completed, then run another command sfc space /scan now together and click on enter. And then after you have had your scanning completed, make sure that you restart your PC again. And if those measures didn't work out, then the next option that we gotta try is go to search bar right here and search for task scheduler and then click on this option right here. The first, go to Microsoft, go to Windows, scroll down and then go to Windows Update right here. And after you do that, here should be a task. So what you can do is right click on it and click on run right here. So after you run this task, then your problems will likely be fixed. If that doesn't work out, then the final option to try out is to hold on the Windows key and click on R. And inside the text box right here, type REGEDIT. And then go to the Edge key local machine section right here, go to software, scroll down and then go to policies, go to Microsoft, go to Windows, and then go to data collection section right here. And after you do that, right click on the section right here and click on new. Click on keyword 32-bit value. After you do that, go to the section right here and make sure that you set the value as 2 and then click on OK. So if you have tried these methods, then one of the methods will surely work out. So that's it for today. That's how we fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you very much.